Welcome to the Member Forum. I'm Terry Roberts, Membership Engagement and Training Manager, and I have with me today David Bryce, Director of Marketing Technology and all things Member Forum. Hey, David.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. Excited to get into Member Forum. I have to say, David, whenever I'm attending Destinations International events face-to-face, one of the things that our members love the most is the ability to talk to each other. They love a good shirt sleeve session, the ability to get in and compare notes, and have the opportunity to speak with each other. So Member Forum is our virtual version of this, and we're excited to show everyone how to use it.
Yeah, definitely. So today we're just going to take you through very quickly on how to log into the forum, set up your profile. We are going to review the various categories that are available for discussion, how to post discussions and respond to existing discussions, and then also how to manage your notifications on new comments on posts.
Great, David. This certainly supports our program of work and also our website organization, the four cornerstones of Destinations International: community, advocacy, research, and education. And many people believe that community is what is vitally important, bringing us together, having the opportunity to share and to compare. So, David, I think probably one of the most important things is how to get started. Many people might not even be aware that there is a member forum, and then they get lost in, how do I log in?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm going to go ahead and take you over to our website here. So I'm here at our homepage at destinationsinternational.org, and you can get to the menu forum through our menu. It's under the community section, like you just mentioned, and there's the member forum right there. You can also get to it by going to forum.destinationsinternational.org if you prefer to get to it that way. But on the member forum page here, if we scroll down, there's a button to log in. And also just to point out real quick that access to the member forum is a benefit that's exclusive to members of Destinations International. So you do have to use your member login to get to the forum, which is typically just your work email. So if you use your work email to log in and then your password, if you don't know your password, there is a forgot password button here. So you can click that and get your password emailed to yourself. Just keep in mind that frequently those password resets go to your spam or your junk. So make sure you check your clutter folder to see if it ended up there. But once you get your username and password, you can log in. And eventually you'll get to the forum homepage. So here we are.
All right, David, so this looks already pretty intuitive, like many social media oriented pages.
Yeah, it's pretty intuitive. We have all the discussions here on the right-hand side, and it's laid out pretty well. You can see here that they're actually color-coded, so gray discussions are ones that I have read already, and white ones are ones that I have not read yet. So if you come to the forum and you want to see what's happening and what's new, it's pretty easy just to see at a glance. Oh, these white ones here are the ones that I should pay attention to. On the left side of the screen, we have all these different categories that you can post in. So we have categories for various disciplines within our industry. For example, destination development, finance, marketing, visitor services. So you can pick and choose which categories you want to post in to target your messages and discussions more effectively.
So, David, I saw at the top of the category page, the public ones seem mostly oriented by discipline, but I see at the top quite a few categories under private. Can you tell me how I gain access to one of those groups?
Yeah, we do have private categories that are specific to groups within the association and the industry. So, for example, we have boards just for CDME applicants and CDME graduates, which only those people have access to. We also have boards for committees and task forces that are involved with the association. So, we always encourage members to get involved. So if you are interested in participating in any of these private groups or task forces, then please contact us and we can definitely discuss that further.
That's great, David. So how do I go about creating a new discussion or asking the question?
So to create a new discussion, there's a nice big button here at the top that says New Discussion. And it's pretty easy. If you click on it, you can select what category you want to post into. So like I said, there's all the different disciplines here, or if you don't know where you want to put it, you can just put it into the general category. That'll work pretty well. And then you just give it a title. So we're going to say question of the week. And then you just type your message in this box here. So the question that I'm going to put up today is, what is the next industry conference that you are planning on attending? So once you type in the question that you want to ask, then you can preview it if you want to. Otherwise, if you don't want to preview it, you can just hit post discussion, and it will go ahead and think for a second, and eventually it will go up on the forum, and other people can reply to it.
That's great, David. So can you tell me then, how would I know if someone answers one of my posts, or how would I know if someone comments on something that I've written?
So those are called notifications. By default, when you sign up for the forum, you will get an email notification if someone replies to your question. So if you post something on the forum and someone replies, then you will get an email notification. If you want to manage that further, you can go into the menu and click this notification preferences button here on the menu. And then we have all these options for different notifications that you can receive via email in the first column here. And then if you scroll down, you can also additionally, if you want to, get email notifications for specific categories. So in this first column here where it says discussions email, you can just check whichever boxes you want to get. So say you're interested in destination development and finance, then you can just click those boxes and then click save at the bottom, and it will email you notifications whenever there are new discussions within those specific categories. So it's kind of a great way to keep tabs on any specific interest that you have within the industry.
That's great, David. Looks pretty intuitive. So people are excited to get started. David, do you have some best practices for Member Forum?
Yeah, I think the best thing to do is just to try and get in the habit of checking in often. We do get several comments and new discussions a week, so it's definitely a lively board and becoming livelier as more people learn how to use it. So definitely try and get in the habit of checking in often to see what's going on. Don't be afraid to invite your peers in your organization and your friends in the industry to log in and check it out too. And then just don't be afraid to share interesting content that you find. If you find interesting posts or other things that you'd like to share with your peer group that people would find interesting, then throw it up in the forum and see what conversations start because of it.
Pretty good advice, and I think an exciting opportunity for folks to get in and get started. So David, thank you. I appreciate it. I hope that if you've watched this short video, you're prepared to get into Member Forum and start talking. But for all things Member Forum, questions, issues, you can see David's contact information and phone below. And then also for any membership questions in general, you can reach us at membership@destinationsinternational.org. Thank you so much.
All right, thanks for joining us. Have a great day.